Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just painting my nails. No nail art at all. I'm not kidding. I'm starting off with Peeleze by IMK, and this is a Smith & Colt, and this one's called Dirty Baby. It's a black with silver shimmer and glitters in it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the truth about this. What happened was, what happened was, is I painted my nails, and I was planning on doing nail art on them the next day when I got home from work. They didn't make it through the day. I had a rough day. So I decided instead of letting the footage just go bleh, and I know I'm not going to repaint my nails with these colors anytime soon, because, you know, I got a stack of polishes I got to get through, and I just decided to share it and do some chatting. So there we go, capping my free edge. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. The top coat. And we're going to call this one done. I know, it doesn't sound like me at all. I know this is not normal. I get it. But I also wanted to have the swatch photos, you know, up on my YouTubins. So there it is on its own, all by itself. And we're going to start again with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone. This is Stella Chroma, Brave at Heart 2.0. Oh, goodness. Oh, these would be so pretty with nail art. They really would be. So, yeah, I had a rough day this day. The day that I was supposed to come home and put art on these, I went out and cranked my car to go to work, and somebody had stolen my catalytic converter. So I had to drop my car off at the shop, try to get my dog to the vet, and get a ride to work. And I don't work close to my house, so that's really fun. So thankfully they were able to fix my car in just 2 days, so it didn't like go on and on and on. And we survived it. I am topping this one also with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Isn't that such a pretty polish? If I can find links for the Smith & Colt polish, I will list it down below, and I will leave a link for Stella Chroma also down below. So I hope you guys aren't too disappointed, but this is life. There's my last swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed these little paintings. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.